Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me, Don Ziglioni. Welcome back to the studio. Today's a very special day because Waves just dropped a brand new plugin, the Clarity VX and the VX Pro. I'm really excited to dive into it. They just dropped this like maybe a couple hours ago, so we're gonna be one of the first people to check it out. And also, guess what? It's my first plugin review ever. Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Let's get right to it. Let's go. All right, so here it is. This is the Waves Clarity VX, and I thought for my first plugin review we would kind of dive deep into the user interface, but there's one knob, so it's a little anticlimactic, I guess. But yeah. It's a noise reduction plugin though, so let's go make some noise. Let's see what this thing does. All right, let's go. All right, so we had to find some noise, so I had to step outside. It's kind of nice to get some fresh air, you know, when you're stuck in a studio all day long. But regardless, I'm right here next to a pretty busy road. I know one thing, the pro version of the plugin is going to be a lot more advanced. It's going to take things to a whole nother level as far as the severity of the sound that you can reduce. We're just going to try out the consumer version right now. But some of the videos that Waves has on their website, like the examples, they seem amazing. I don't think we're going to have any problem actually cutting out the road back here behind us. As long as everything's going well, you probably are watching me turn the knob up and down, and you're kind of hearing what the plugin does. Let's go drive around and maybe we'll go find some more noise. Who knows? All right, so this is me driving around with the sunroof open. Again, I'd like to make a point. It is very nice to get some fresh air from time to time. This is amazing. But regardless, there's always a reason. So as long as this is working, you should be listening to me turn the knob up and down. And if this plugin is working at all, then this plugin is amazing because it is loud in here. It's really loud. So I would be really, I'm really anxious to see what it's doing. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Let's go see what other kind of noises we can find, all right? Looking out the window, listen to the sounds. Don't know what I'm gonna do, so I hope Waves will hold me down. They can take it out, at least I really hope. With this new plugin, I know it's really dope. I'm sure it is, and I don't even have to even wish because I know Waves is the ish. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. Hopefully this works. Let's go back to the studio and find out. Okay, here's a more normal household item. It's a vacuum Swiffer thing. So that thing is actually really loud. So let's just say someone was vacuuming in the back behind you. This is severe. I don't have any clue how this could possibly be working or anything. Right now, I'm really skeptical. I wasn't skeptical in the car, but I'm skeptical now. So if this is working, all right, and we can try this out. This is that same Swiffer vacuum. It's about maybe 15, 20 feet away. So this would be a little bit more realistic of somebody else vacuuming elsewhere. So for instance, if your studio is haunted, sometimes the ghosts can ruin a perfect recording. Hopefully Waves is doing a good job at stopping these demons from coming through. Yeah, I don't want to hear any of that, so hopefully this is working because, oh, they're gonna ruin my day. So all in all, in the few hours that this plugin has been in existence, I am already thinking of hundreds of ways I can actually utilize this, that this can be a huge benefit to my life. What kind of ways are you thinking? Are your creative juices flowing? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll be back for more later. All right, I'm out. Peace.